Happy birthday, Mama Charlene! We love you! Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan! Mwah! Happy birthday, Mama Charlene! I love you! I love you!
Happy birthday!
Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita! Mami!
Happy birthday, Tita Jan!
Tita Chan!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mama Charlene. I love you. Happy birthday, Nana Charlene. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Charlene. Ingat po kayo dyan. I love you. Mwah!
Birthday, Tita Charlene! God bless you! I love you! Ingat ka palagi! Birthday, Tita Cha! We love you!
Hi, Ninang Cham. On your special day, I wish you all the best, abundance of joy, happiness, and love. You deserve it. Happy birthday from Gab. I love you, Ninang. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Tatcha. Wishing you all these great things in life. I hope this day will bring you an extra share of all mix that will be happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Cha. I wish you good luck, good health, more years to come, and less problems para malipay sa happy and malara.
Hi, Tita Sha! Happy 42 birthday, Tita Sha! Ang gwapa ko nga tita, ang mabato nga tita. Wish ko lang kanimo is more birthday to come and always be healthy. May a special day filled with love and happiness, Tita Sha. Along ka lang dyan, pirme. Love you!
Good afternoon, Tano. Happy birthday kanimo Tita Charlene, and God bless you. Enjoy your day. Along na dyan parmi sa Nutas, sa Hong Kong. Maging healthy lang parmi. May ang lawas pamita. Thank you sa Tano. Din taon mo unakan. Salamat kay. Happy birthday kanimo ta. Luwat sa liwat, no. God bless you. Thank you ta. I love you so much.
Tita, sana maging masaya ka today at puno ng blessing. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo at pagmamahal sa pamilya. Mahal ka namin. Naway lahat ng pangarap mo ay matupad at lumanda pa sa mas maraming birthday. We love you, Tita. God bless you and more blessings to come. From Raven.
Hi, Ta. Happy 42 birthday. Stay healthy and happy always. Kag halong ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Tatcha, and more blessings to come. Dear Tita, happy birthday. Lesi mo, kaghalong kapermin dyan, kagmayad lang alawas. Thank you, gali. Happy birthday, liwat. Mama, chup.
Hello, Tita Cha. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And God bless you. We love you so much. Bye.
Hi, Tita! First of all, I want to greet you happy birthday! Good health ang pirmi, God bless, and I miss you po!
Happy birthday, Tita Cha. We miss you. God bless. We love you.
Tita Cha, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. We love you. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Hello, Cha. We wish you a very blessed day. Happy birthday to you. More blessings and God bless you always. sa work mo. Ingat ka palagi. Always take care your health. We love you. From all of us, God bless you.
Let's happy birthday. God bless.
Okay. Happy birthday, Cha. Wala man akong gift sa iyo ngayon, but my prayers and wishes you have a good health always. And more good opportunities you get whatever you do. And more birthdays to come. And we celebrate together with your family. Basta lagi ka lang mag-pray. We're always here to love you. Huwag magtampo because we know you know that you love us so much also. I love you so much, Cha. God knows kahit diyan ka lagi ka mag-iingat at ang mga kaibigan mo rin din laging nagmamahal sa iyo. At Cha, love you at nawa mag-iingat at ang iyong amo at mga alaga din ay magmamahal din sa iyo. Happy birthday and more blessings to come. God bless you and guide you always. Love, Nini Alma. Happy birthday, Cha.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cham. I love you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Sa trabaho mo. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Charlene. Happy birthday. Sana'y maubos mo ang litson na handa nyo dyan. May litson ba? Happy birthday, ga. I wish you all the best. Thank you everything. Thank you sa tour. Sa Vietnam, sa Macau, sa Disneyland. Thank you so much, ga. Na-enjoy ako. And thank you again. I wish you all the best. Always good health. See you soon. Banding tayo ulit. I love you. Enjoy your special day. Thank you so much. Thank you everything and God bless you. We love you so much.
Pagwapa mo na ako. Hi, Cha. Happy birthday, my dear lovely sister. And wishing you always good health. And thank you very much for always surprise my birthday too. So, enjoy your day with your friends. And hopefully, soon we're gonna bonding with siblings. Enjoy. Malayo kayo, kaya wala mo na kaming gift. Pag nagkita-kita na lang tayo. Love you there. Ingat lagi at enjoy lang ang work.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cha. Ay, halong ka permi dyan. Yalang kami permi. Handa bulig kung kinanglan mo man kami sa pira ka adlaw. Guwapa.
Happy birthday, Tita Cha. God bless you. I love you.
Happy birthday! God bless! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay good health ka lang palagi at ingat ka dyan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. God bless you and more blessing to come.
Yeah, I hear your birthday is soon, April the 23rd. Yeah, I just wanted to send you a birthday wish and hoping your day is very special. Happy birthday, Charlene. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlene. Happy birthday to you. Have a good day.
Surprise! Cha! Your life is a gift from God, and I know I am grateful to Him for all the blessings you bring into this world. We are lucky to have a sister or a friend in my heart. You are here always in my heart. Happy 42 birthday, Cha! All the best. See you soon. I love you. I miss you so much. Enjoy your party. We love you with your sisters and friends. Bye!
Hi, Ate Charlene. Happy birthday to you. I wish you good health, more birthday to come, and more candle to blow, and of course, more cake to slice. And may God bless you abundantly, and I will see you soon. Again, enjoy your birthday and have a wonderful day. Thanks. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Alam kong malayo tayo sa isa't isa, but I couldn't pass this day without telling you how much I really appreciate you. You honestly made a huge difference sa aking buhay, especially sa times na hindi ako makapag-think ng straight. Alam mo yan, andyan ka lagi, kinakausap ako. Your experiences at yung wisdom mo na sinishare sa akin, sobrang laking tulong talaga sa aking mga problema. So thank you so much for always being my voice of reason, and thank you for your journey na nakapag-guide sa akin. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. So today, I hope you feel extra loved kasi deserve mo talaga ang lahat ng happiness. Thank you so much, Chom Chom. Happy birthday, and I miss you big time.
Hi Chang, happy birthday. More birthday to come, good health. And God bless you. Once again, happy birthday Chang. I miss you. I love you Chang.
I'll be loving you eternally. With a love that's true eternally. From the start within my heart it seems I've always known the sun would shine when you were mine and mine alone. I'll be loving you eternally. There'll be no one new, my dear, for me. Though the skies should fall, remember us, you'll always be. Forever true and loving you eternally. I'll be loving you eternally. There'll be no one new, my dear, for me. Though the sky should fall, remember us, you'll always be.
Never had this feeling in my heart.
I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you.